Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is sponsored by Yolissa Hair. These are the goodies that were sent over in the bag. They sent me over this nice headband. Look how beautiful the colors, love it. So today's unit is an HD lace in 24 inches. It's the large cap size and it's 180 density. Y'all, I love this unit. Look how thick it is. The curls are beautiful. Like, I just love the fullness of the wig. Everything. I'm combing my hand through it. It is curly hair, so it's shedding a little bit, but nothing too crazy. I've washed the unit, co-wash it and everything. So this is what the inside look like. It has 3 combs, of course the elastic band, and this is what the lace looks like. Pretty. I did have to pluck it a little bit, but other than that, it was great. So I'm starting off with my bust down middle part because y'all know that's what I like. I'm taking my wax stick and my hot comb. Y'all, run to Amazon. The link will be in the description box for this hot comb. The hot comb broke the last hair video that I did, and I ordered this on Amazon. The truth. So don't go to your beauty supply store unless they have the ones that you can control the temperature. But this hot comb, y'all, run to Amazon. All right, y'all, look at my pregnant face. Oh my gosh. Anyway, let's jump into this look. So I'm taking my Eben 24-hour edge control just to like make sure that my edges are pushed back because we want a flat install. And I am not doing the ball cap method. Since it's a 5x5, I'm just gonna wear the cap. I'm just gonna apply some foundation. I really didn't have to do this step. I'm applying my bronzer actually to like where the middle part would be, but I really didn't have to do this because I'm gonna use concealer in the part, so I really didn't have to do this. It was optional. Let's throw this wig on, looking a little umpty, giving very much Humpty Dumpty, but it's okay. We're gonna fix the part. Of course, on a mannequin head, it's not gonna be as perfect as I want it on my head, so I'm just fixing the part again with my bust down middle part and this hot comb, y'all. Can't say I never put y'all on. Run to Amazon. The link is in the description box. Okay, so but be careful because this thing get hot. Okay, so I'm just pushing the hair back, just make sure it's out of my way when it's time to glue it down. All right, so I am gonna use my, y'all know, as always, my Got to Be freezing spray. Because we're only keeping this wig on for like a day or two. I ended up using 2 layers of this. I put one, used my blow dryer, and then I put another layer, and then I applied my blow dryer again. I'm going to take my rat tail comb and press it into my scalp. And y'all, 5x5s are so easy to install for me personally. So listen, it was just a quick 1-2-1-2. So now it's time to cut. Everybody always say cut in a jagged motion. I'm better with the scissors than I am with the razor. It still was giving very much straight across, but we're practicing. And as usual, I'm very much focused on this step. 5x5 is not that much. It's not that difficult to cut. You know, you can't really see it. It's cool. Even if you can, we're going to fix it with some Got to Be. Now I'm just putting some Got to Be on it just to take the harshness out of it. And then I'm going to go ahead and tie that down so that it can melt into my skin. So this is what it's looking like after that. Y'all know sometimes you get a little hair in there. You could just comb it out. You can also use some alcohol to clean it up. Don't go too close to the lace with the alcohol though, because it might start lifting. So just be careful and clean up around it. Now, I did have to go in and tweeze the hair a little bit so that the baby hair can look a little separated from the rest of the hair. In hindsight, I should have plucked the front part a little bit more too, but it's okay, honey. It still came out bomb. Now, for the baby hair, I kind of know what I want to do. I want to do 2 on each side. It's just a matter of the thickness that I want it and the shape of how I want them to be. Y'all know I'm not no baby hair expert, y'all, but I'm just doing something. I'm just doing the do, and hopefully the do, if you know what I'm saying. Now I'm just cutting it with I'm doing a slanted cut with my scissors. And usually when I do my first cut, I do it a little longer than I actually want it. And then when I form the baby hairs, I will go ahead and trim it down if I need to. So I'm just taking my little hot comb, y'all. I had this hot comb since forever. Like, I'm talking about over 12 years, to be honest. This is when I bought my first flat iron. Y'all remember when them hot beauty flat iron used to be hot back at the hair store? That's how long I've had this little thing. So I'm just curling it. I don't know what I was doing. It's not very much curl, but it's so much easier. If you're somebody who struggle with baby hair, honestly, try this method. It just lays in the direction that you want it. And as you can see, I'm just going in now and just cutting it down how I want it. And they just listen. They just cooperate a little bit better than you trying to freestyle it. And now it's time to get this hair together, y'all. It is water wave, so I wanted to go in. First I want to brush it out, then I'm gonna go in and wet it all up to get the curls wet, give it that wet look. Now it's time to define the parting on the unit. So I'm taking my concealer. I'm just going to define the part a little bit more. And then what I'm going to do, I saw this trick on TikTok. I'm taking my rat tail comb just to like blend it in. And then I'm going to take my, you can use mascara or you can use eyeshadow. I'm using my mascara and I'm just going to go ahead and fix anywhere that I went over too much with the concealer. And boom, it's giving very much straight. It's giving very much, this my hair, okay? It's giving very much straight. So I'm just taking the hot comb to just like really push it back and to how I want it. Let's go get this face, honey, and then we're gonna come right back. All right, y'all, so the makeup is done. This is the final look for this hair. Y'all can't tell me this is not giving. Like, honey, baby hair, who? Like, this is giving, y'all. I love this unit so much. I love me a 5x5 closure because it's easy. It's not that much to do. It's easy to maintain and everything like that. It's giving. Like, y'all can't say it's not giving. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.